My name is Jagadish. My father's name is Venkatesh. I came to AH Career to learn about CCA course. CCA means Certification in Computer Application. It includes computer basics. It tells about the computer. Now in this generation, it is necessary to learn about computer basics. It is helpful in various fields, and in any sector we go, it is very helpful. Electronical and mechanical device which takes input, process data and produce output. Uses. There are many uses of learning the computer. There are some input and output devices. Input devices are mouse, keyboard, microphone, etc. And output devices are monitor, speakers, printers, etc. The computer takes the input from the input tools, process data and produce the output through output tools. And there are some advantages and also disadvantages of the computer. Advantages like it helps us to solve the calculations with a high speed, it gives accurate answers, and it has a large storage capacity. And the disadvantages are it does not have the self-thinking capability and it needs a detailed explanation. RAM and ROM. RAM means read-only random access memory. ROM means read-only memory. It is helpful in various fields. Through any job we go, it is very helpful for thanks.